So hi dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss maths of class 6. So dear student, today we will discuss about number, okay? About number. So number is a mathematical tool which used for counting, measuring and many other things. Okay dear? So dear students, today we will discuss about the place value and face value. Okay? So first of all, there is a number. Suppose 4, 5 and 6. There is a number and we have to find out the place value. Okay? So what will you do? First of all, one thing, ones, tens and 100. Okay? Place of 6 at the ones place and the 5th at the 10th place and 4 at the 100th place. Okay, so to find out the place value, we have to multiply at their value of place. Okay, so first of all, if we want to find out the place value of 6, then 6 will be multiplied by 1. Why 1? Because place of 6 at ones places. Okay dear. Next one is 5. Okay, so 5 we will multiply by what? 10. Why 10? Because ones 10. So 10. 50. And 4. Okay. So 4 into ones, tens, 100. So 4 multiplied will be 100. So 400. So it is the place value of 456. Okay dear. So it is the place value. Which value? Place value. Suppose that in question will ask find out the face value. So face value of 6. So face value will be also always same. So 6. So face value of 6. Face value of 6 equal to 6 same. Suppose that 5. Face value of 5. 5. That will be same. Okay. Face value will be also always same. Okay dear. So, okay, let's take another example. Suppose that there is a number. So, dear students, this is another number. So, we have to find out the place value. Suppose that this number. Okay. So, 1. 1 will be multiplied by 1. So, you will get 1. And 0. 0 will multiplied by 10. So, double 0. And 8. 8 will be multiplied by 100. Then 800. So, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So, 0 will be multiplied by 1000. It means and 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 6 will be multiplied by 10,000. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So this is the answer. Okay. And we talked about face value. So dear, face value is always same. Okay. Suppose that we have to find out the face value of 1. 1. So face value of 1 is 1. 0. 0 is 0, 8 is 8 and 6 is 6. So face value will be always same. Okay. So next one we will see. So dear, suppose take another example. Find the place value and face value of 6 in. So this is the question. Okay. We have find out the place value and face value. So look dear. What is the place value of 6? Place value of 6. So, 6 into 6 will be multiplied by which number? Ones, tens, 100. So, 6 will be multiplied by 100. It means 600. So, 600 is the place value and face value. Face value dear. So, dear, face value will be always same. So face value of 6. So 6. That is our answer. Place value of 6 is 600 and face value of 6 is 6. Let's take another example. Suppose that another example. Second question. 3, 6, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. Okay. So find out the place value of 6. So place value. Place value. क्या होगा भैया देन 6 इंटू 1 10 100 1000 10,000 एंड लाख. So 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. Okay. Next, face value. So already I told you face value will be always same. So face value will be 6. That is the answer. Okay. Let's take another example. Suppose that there is a question. In question, they will ask to find out the difference between place value and face value. So dear student, this is another question. In question, find the difference between place value and face value of 5. Okay dear? So we have to find out the difference between place value and face value. क्या निकालना है बेटा? हमें डिफरेंस निकालना है प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू के बीच में. इट्स सो सिंपल बेटा. देखिए ध्यान से. देखिए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5. ओके. सो वी विल राइट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5. So what will be place value? 5 into 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So 1000. It means 5,000. Okay. And then face value. Face value of 5. क्या होगा बेटा? 5 होगा. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया कि फेस वैल्यू जो होता है क्या होता है? हमेशा सेम होता है. वही होता है. अब देखिए बेटा डिफरेंस हमको निकालना है. ओके. डिफरेंस किसके बीच में डिफरेंस निकालना है बेटा? प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू के बीच में. सो देखिए यहां पे लिख दीजिए प्लेस वैल्यू माइनस फेस वैल्यू. ओके डियर. सो प्लेस वैल्यू इज 5,000 माइनस 5. सो 4,995 इज द आंसर. ओके.